How to toggle a value. What is the most efficient way to toggle between 0 and 1?
The not operator negates your variable, converting it into a boolean if it isn't already 1. You can probably use 1 and 0 interchangeably with true and false, so just negate it. But if you are using two arbitrary values, use an inline if.
Just between 1 and 0, do this. X can take 1 or 0.
Here is another non-intuitive way. The beauty is you can cycle over multiple values and not just 2, 0, 1. For two values, toggling. For multiple values, say 4. I didn't expect this solution to be almost the fastest too.
Solution using not. If the values are Boolean, the fastest approach is to use the not operator. Solution using subtraction. If the values are numerical, then subtraction from the total is a simple and fast way to toggle values. Solution using XOR. If the value toggles between 0 and 1, you can use a bitwise exclusive OR. The technique generalizes to any pair of integers. The XOR by 1 step is replaced with an XOR by pre-computed constant. This idea was submitted by Nick Coughlin and later generalized by ZXXC. Solution using a dictionary. If the values are hashable, you can use a dictionary. Solution using a conditional expression. The slowest way is to use a conditional expression. Solution using itertools. If you have more than two values, the itertools.cycle function provides a generic fast way to toggle between successive values.
If you want to support the channel, make us to like and subscribe.